Hi there, my name is Rai Hernandez, and this is my final portfolio for my RC 2001 class. For this first About the Author homepage, I talk about the overall flow of the portfolio, along with some personal things about me, who I am, and what field I am in at Appalachian State. I talk about my topic, and I go into detail how writing in this course has affected me to grow as a writer. So for this first About the Author, I talk about who I am, what my major is, and why I decided to go into that major. I go into topic about what bullying is, which is my overall topic that you will see throughout this portfolio and throughout my assignments, and what the reason why I chose the topic as a future educator. So because this affects me personally as I go into the educational field. And for my second area, this is where I talk about my overall growth as a writer, and I've become a much better researcher, writer, and peer revision partner as we have done all those things throughout this course, and that I will be able to take some of the things that I've learned throughout this course and be able to apply it to my other classes as I continue my time at Appalachian State to grow as not just a writer, but to grow in my field. And here below, I talk about my assignments that you'll see in my portfolio, and the reason I wanted to do these and chose my topic was to bring awareness to bullying and bring awareness to the effects that it might have on people, and I hope that everyone who reads this can be able to take away some things that pertains to them, either personally or professionally, that they'll be able to take away to help prevent or address the bullying problem.